Hey there everybody, how you guys doing? So we're here today at Direct Effect Wraps here in Miramar, San Diego, and we are getting our truck all wrapped up. So let's go ahead, let's check it out.
I'm Nicole Gaynor. I'm the graphic designer here. We specialize in printed wraps.
I'm Anthony Whitstone. I'm the owner of Direct Effect Wraps. Well, for me, it serves a completely different purpose, and this gives us a whole lot other perspective in terms of how we can contribute to society, and to be able to support you and the homeless is really special.